buying a security camera usually feels like a massive chore. You're either stuck drilling holes into your walls, dealing with messy wires, or constantly worrying about batteries dying right when you need them. It's frustrating because you just want to know your home is safe without turning it into a construction project. I've spent time looking at what actually works for real homes, from simple indoor monitors to full outdoor setups. Let's break down which ones are actually worth your money and which one solves the installation headache for good. Number 5. Ring Indoor Cam B0B6 GLQJMV. Ever wonder what's happening at home when you're away or in the next room? The Ring Indoor Cam makes it easy to keep an eye on things without any complicated setup. It records in 1080p HD, giving clear video day or night, and the two-way audio lets you speak directly through the camera. The compact design fits neatly on shelves or desks, and it connects through Wi-Fi for live viewing on your phone. One drawback is that some advanced features require a subscription, but even without it, you still get reliable real-time monitoring and motion alerts. I liked how quickly it sends notifications and how smooth the video stream feels. This camera is ideal for small homes, apartments, or anyone wanting basic indoor security. Overall, it's a dependable, easy-to-use option that helps you stay connected to your space. Give it a try if you want simple, everyday peace of mind. Number 4. GMK CG6. The most impressive part of the GMK CG6 is the 2K resolution, which provides crystal clear details even from a distance. Unlike standard HD, this higher quality ensures you can identify faces or license plates clearly. The full-color night vision changes everything by showing vivid details in total darkness instead of grainy black and white footage. Since these are completely wireless, you can mount them anywhere without dealing with messy cables. The built-in rechargeable battery offers months of power, making maintenance easy. With smart motion detection, you receive instant alerts on your phone only when meaningful movement occurs, preventing unnecessary notifications. The two-way audio lets you speak to visitors or delivery drivers directly through the app. This 4-pack is ideal for homeowners who want comprehensive coverage for their property without a complex setup. Protect your home and keep an eye on things by checking the link below to grab yours today. Number 3. ANNKE 3K Lite 8CH DVR Security System. If you're looking for a no-nonsense home security setup, the ANNKE 8-camera wired system is worth your attention. It comes with 8 2MP 1920 TVL cameras paired with an 8-channel H.265 plus DVR and a pre-installed 1TB hard drive, so you're up and running straight out of the box. The build quality feels solid. Each camera carries an IP67 weatherproof rating, handling everything from heavy rain to temperature extremes without issues. Night vision reaches 100 feet in black and white and 66 feet in full color. That color night vision is genuinely useful for identifying people and vehicles after dark. What stood out most is the AI human and vehicle detection. It cuts out false alerts from tree movements or animals, keeping notifications relevant and actionable. This system suits homeowners, small business owners, or anyone wanting reliable 24/7 wired surveillance without monthly subscription fees. A dependable, no-frills security investment. Number 2. WYZE Cam V4. Ever wonder if a budget camera can provide high-end security? The WYZE Cam V4 is a compact, versatile security camera designed for indoor and outdoor use. It features 2.5K resolution, providing clear details that help you identify faces or objects easily. The built-in spotlight and color night vision allow you to see full-color footage even in total darkness. One standout feature is the local storage option via a micro SD card, which means you do not need a monthly subscription to save your videos. This camera stands out because it combines high-resolution imaging with weather resistance at a fraction of the cost of premium brands. It also includes wide dynamic range for better lighting balance. This device is best for homeowners wanting reliable security without recurring fees or parents needing a dependable monitor. It delivers solid performance, making home monitoring accessible for everyone who values quality and straightforward functionality. Number 1. WYZE Bulb Cam Security Camera. Ever wonder what's actually happening on your porch while you're sleeping or away? Most security cameras are a nightmare to install. Drilling holes, running wires, and dealing with batteries that always die at the worst time. That's why the WYZE Bulb Cam is such a game changer. You literally just screw it into any standard light socket. No tools, no mess. You get crystal clear 2K HD video and full color night vision, so you can actually see faces, not just blurry shadows. Plus, it doubles as a dimmable LED light you can control from your phone. Whether you're checking on a package delivery or scaring off a stray animal with the built-in siren, it's all right there in the app. It even works with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free monitoring. Imagine finally feeling safe without the expensive monthly fees or complex setup of traditional systems. Click the link to grab yours. Finding the right security camera shouldn't be stressful. In this video, we review 5 different setups, ranging from simple indoor cams to full wired systems. You'll learn which cameras offer the best night vision, resolution, and easiest installation to keep your home safe without hidden fees. We cover top brands like WYZE, Ring, and ANNKE to help you decide.